The most dangerous fighter jet in American history might never fire the first shot.
Its opponent may already be finished before it fires, because someone else pulled the trigger first.
The F-47 is built to win a fight it never enters alone. In March 2025, the Air Force awarded Boeing the contract to build America's first new air superiority fighter in over 3 decades. The last aircraft with that job was the F-22 Raptor, and it entered service in 2005. The F-47 carries a number with meaning. It echoes the P-47 Thunderbolt and the year the Air Force was founded, 1947. But symbolism is not strategy. The real story is what changed in how America plans to fight. For 20 years, air superiority meant one exceptional aircraft. The F-47 is designed around something different. Modern air defenses have grown longer-ranged, more networked, and harder to survive against. Radar has improved. Missiles fly farther. Sensors talk to each other faster than a single pilot can react. Building one aircraft stealthily enough and fast enough to beat every threat alone is no longer realistic. So the Air Force asked a harder question. What if the fighter wasn't fighting alone? The answer became the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, a family of systems, not a single machine. Its combat radius is reported to exceed that of the F-22 by a wide margin, letting it operate farther from contested airspace. That range keeps refueling tankers safer, farther from the fight. A quiet but crucial engineering requirement. Here is the detail most people miss. The F-47 is not just a fighter. The Air Force plans to field more than 1,000 collaborative combat aircraft, semi-autonomous drone wingmen. Roughly 2 of these drones are expected to operate alongside every F-47 in the fleet. It can scout ahead into contested airspace, jam enemy sensors, or strike targets, all directed from the F-47's cockpit. The pilot becomes some closer to a quarterback than a marksman, managing a formation instead of firing every shot. This is the hidden edge, distributing risk across expendable drones instead of concentrating it in one irreplaceable aircraft. If a CCAA is detected or lost, the mission continues. If the sole pilot were lost, the mission would not. That shift changes what air superiority even means. Presence and control, not just kills. But orchestrating a drone swarm from a cockpit high speed is itself an unsolved engineering problem. Underneath the airframe, another quiet revolution is happening. The engine. Both Pratt & Whitney and GE Aerostropics completed assembly readiness reviews on competing adaptive cycle engines in May 2026. For high-speed combat, it behaves like a traditional high-thrust turboflume. For long-range cruise, it reconfigures towards fuel efficiency. An adaptive cycle engine can change its internal airflow configuration in flight. Both Pratt & White and GE Aerostropics completed assembly readiness reviews on competing adaptive cycle engines in May 2026. That flexibility is not a luxury. For a fighter built to operate far from base, It is a requirement. A final engine downselect between the two designs is not expected until the early 2030s. The Airbad itself remains largely classified, and official images so far show only artist renderings, not real jets. What is public is limited by design. Much of the F-47's true shape stays hidden until it needs to fly. Every advantage in this design creates a matching cost. Stealth is not invisibility. It buys time and distance. More automation does not eliminate human decisions. Someone in the cockpit still owns every strike a drone makes. A modular airframe built to accept future technology also invites schedule risk, as requirements keep evolving. The CCA program is funded and managed separately from the F-47 contract itself. A delay on the drone side would not necessarily appear anywhere in F-47 program reporting, even though the mission depends on it. Range and networking add complexity that a single, self-contained fighter never had to manage. The Air Force plans to buy at least 185 F-47s, alongside more than 1,000 CCA drones. Total program costs, cross-vamped dollars, are expected to reach hundreds of billions of across the aircraft's service life. Congress added an extra $500 million to the fiscal 2026 budget alone, signaling continued political commitment. First flight is targeted for 2028. Manufacturing of the first test jet reportedly began by late 2025. If that timeline holds, the F-47 would fly barely 3 years after the program was publicly announced. That pace is unusually fast for a sixth-generation fighter, and fast programs carry their own risks.
A rushed Fingal CERTA schedule can surface problems Boeing has not yet had time to time.
The F-22 Raptor still holds air dominance today, but its production line closed in 2011 with only 187 built. The F-35 solved affordability and numbers, but was never designed purely for air superiority. The next generation, Europe's rival programs, Franco-German Spanish and British-Italian-Japanese sixth-generation efforts remain years behind, some reportedly slipping towards the 2040s. China's own sixth-generation prototypes have flown in testing, adding urgency to the American timeline. Whichever Air Force learns to fight as a network first will likely decide the next era of air combat. The F-47's real competition may not be a single enemy aircraft, but a rival concept, the family of systems itself. Analysts have proposed configurations based on renderings and budget documents, but these remain informed estimates, not confirmed specifications. What remains uncertain is significant. Public information does not confirm exact speed, radar crosspart, or weapons payload. Whether the 2028 first flight date survives contact with a real flight test program is, for now, an open question. The F-47 was named for a founding year and a legendary fighter, but its real legacy may be different. It may be remembered not as the best fighter ever built alone, but as the first built never to fight alone. So the question is no longer just how good is the aircraft. It is, how good is the network around it?